We're heading out from Robbie's in Islamorada, deep in the Florida Keys, on one of the easiest and most scenic coral reef tours, perfect for all ages. Every trip tells a story, and this one begins with a window to the sea. What would you explore if you didn't need to dive in? Let us know in the comments, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe. It's free, and it helps us grow. Our first stop, Alligator Reef Lighthouse. Built in 1873, this 136-foot iron beacon stands over the shallow reef where the USS Alligator ran aground while protecting the coast. Today, it still marks dangerous shoals and one of the best reef spots in the Keys. The limestone-colored coral here isn't flashy, but it's teeming with marine life. Tiny fish dart between the coral, and an eel pokes his head from a crevice. These fossilized coral structures have been shaped by centuries of ocean life. Here we see brain coral. It's called that because it looks just like the lobes of a brain. Right below us, some groupers swim by. Our guide said these could be Nassau or black grouper. They're actually the same species and often hang out around these reef structures. Which one you think they are, do you know? Let us know in the comments. Back at the dock, the locals put on their own show. Massive tarpon gather beneath the fish cleaning table, snapping at the scraps and stealing the spotlight. Today we've seen the reef without snorkeling. What would you explore next? Tell us in the comments below. Like and subscribe to join the fun. It's free and helps us grow.